Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this beautiful Valentine's love sign. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Alright everyone, let's get started. These are the materials we'll be needing today. Some jute twine, your choice of brush or brushes, and your choice of paint colors. In this case I'm using some chalk in a linen color as well as a dark gray. And this love sign I was able to pick up at my local 99-cent store, and I really like the fact that it stands on its own once it'll be done. Okay, here we're going to be starting with our darker gray, and we're going to be applying it on both sides of the sign. I want it to have a bit of a shading area, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. And we're going to be applying 1 coat of this and 2 coats of the white paint. And I will fast forward this as you can see, so that you can get an idea of everything that I've done. Alright, here we're going to go ahead and start putting our linen color on the top of our darker color. And then the reason for this is I will be distressing it just a tad bit on the edges, as well as in between some of the letters, to make it look a little bit more rustic. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just sand the edges. This is a step that you don't necessarily have to do, but I wanted to have that more vintage, shabby and distressed look. And I'm not doing it a whole lot, just a little bit on the edges to kind of outline some of the lines and to bring that darker color inward. And this will help with the shadowing that I did and not painting the edges of the letters. And then once I'm completely finished sanding, I will play around with the jute twines and the different ribbon choices that I've laid out to see which one will work best. Okay, in this step, I just basically cleaned out my area and warmed up the hot glue gun to attach that bow or laced bow onto our love sign. And here it is, all complete. So here is our completed sign. I've placed it in our kitchen counter. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.